This video shows how to get the word count of a document on Google Docs using the iPhone. To get the word count for a document, go to Google Docs app on your iPhone and open the specific document for which you want to get the word count. Tap More and tap Word Count to see the complete information. It will show the total number of words, characters, and characters excluding spaces on this document. You can also get the word count for a specific paragraph or content in the document. For this, select the content, tap More and tap Word Count. Now, it will show the word count for the selected content compared with the total word count on the document. This feature is very useful when you prepare the content and want to put a restriction on the number of words or characters. Hope this video is helpful to you. Please subscribe to Clear Talking channel to get notified when new video tutorials are uploaded.